Picture this, the soft hum of engines, the glint of chrome catching the light, and the unmistakable aura of a machine that defines generations. The legend is back. The 2025 Honda CB754, not just a motorcycle, but a living legacy reborn for a new era. When you see it for the first time, you don't just see metal and mechanics. You see history, soul, and craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. Honda hasn't just revived an icon, they've reimagined it, bringing together vintage emotion and futuristic engineering in one breathtaking masterpiece. You swing a leg over the seat, and instantly the connection is there. That familiar CB stance, proud, balanced, muscular, and yet graceful. It feels right, like meeting an old friend after years apart. The 2025 CB754 doesn't scream for attention, it commands it effortlessly. Its design tells a story of evolution. The tank still carries that unmistakable CB curve, a nod to its 70s heritage, but now sculpted with sharper lines and aerodynamic flow. Chrome details glint like jewelry against deep color tones. Whether it's metallic red, pearl white, or matte black, each shade adds a distinct personality, a reflection of the rider's soul. The heart of this beast beats with a brand new 750cc inline-four engine, liquid-cooled and tuned for pure, responsive performance. It's the modern interpretation of the power plant that started it all back in 1969, a motor that changed the world's idea of what a motorcycle could be. Twist the throttle and the sound is unmistakable, a deep, refined growl that blends classic Honda smoothness with raw, modern aggression. It's not about being the fastest, it's about feeling every pulse, every note, every shift in rhythm as the machine comes alive beneath you. Honda has poured its heritage into every detail, yet nothing feels old. The digital TFT display replaces the classic twin dials, but even that feels respectful. Simple, clean, easy to read. The LED round headlamp glows like a tribute to the past while illuminating the future with precision. The dual exhausts are a piece of art, sweeping chrome pipes that echo the sound of freedom. Every angle, every reflection reminds you, this is not just another motorcycle. This is the rebirth of the bike that started a revolution. The 2025 CB754 is built for riders who appreciate balance between power and control, nostalgia and innovation. The ride quality is everything you expect from Honda. Buttery smooth yet fiercely confident. The chassis feels planted whether you're gliding through city streets or carving through mountain turns. The suspension is finely tuned for comfort but doesn't compromise on sharp feedback. The brakes, upgraded with modern ABS and precision calipers, offer effortless stopping power, giving you total command in every situation. But what makes this machine truly special is how it makes you feel. You don't just ride it, you experience it. You sense the spirit of the original CB750 coursing through its veins, the same spirit that once made it the first superbike the world had ever seen. Back then, it was revolutionary. Today, it's evolutionary, a seamless fusion of past and present. It's for the dreamers, the collectors, and the riders who understand that sometimes the soul of a motorcycle matters more than its specs. As you ride, you realize how carefully Honda has balanced nostalgia with technology. You feel the weight of heritage, yet it moves with the agility of the future. The traction control, the ride modes, the slipper clutch, all hidden beneath a timeless silhouette. There's no overcomplication, no distraction, just you, the open road, and a machine built to make every mile feel memorable. The throttle response is instant, the torque delivery smooth, and the gearing precise. It feels like Honda engineered it not for numbers, but for emotions, for that rush you get when machine and man become one. Even when parked, the CB754 looks alive. The paint glows under light, the polished metals shimmer. Walk around it once, and you'll notice the craftsmanship, the neatly machined engine fins, the perfectly aligned seams, the harmony between old-school aesthetics and cutting-edge materials. It's a motorcycle you could stare at for hours before even starting it, and yet once you do, you'll never want to stop riding it. There's something almost cinematic about it, the way the sunlight hits the tank, the way the exhaust hum resonates when you roll off the throttle. It's not just about going somewhere, it's about feeling something along the way. The 2025 Honda CB754 isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It turns every ride into a story worth telling. Every stoplight feels like a moment of admiration from onlookers who know they're witnessing a piece of history, reborn with a modern pulse. Honda has always known how to balance emotion with engineering, and the CB754 is their perfect statement. It's not trying to compete, it's reminding the world what made Honda a legend in the first place. It's for those who believe a motorcycle should have character, not just horsepower. It's for those who still believe that design, sound, and soul can coexist in a world obsessed with specs and screens. As the engine settles into a gentle idle, you hear that signature CB rhythm, steady, confident, timeless. The same rhythm that echoed through decades of motorcycling culture. It's almost poetic how Honda has captured that essence once again in a machine built for 2025. It's more than a comeback, it's a continuation, a legacy carried forward not by imitation, but by innovation. When you ride it, you're not just sitting on a motorcycle, you're sitting on a bridge between generations, between those who first fell in love with the CB in the 70s and those discovering its charm today for the first time. The 2025 Honda CB754 doesn't just represent where motorcycles have been, it shows where they're going, with elegance, pride, and that unmistakable Honda precision. So when you see it standing in the showroom, bathed in soft light and gleaming chrome, remember this: legends never fade, they evolve. And this one, the new CB754, is proof that some stories are too powerful to end.